Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: TV powered, remote charged, and your Wi-Fi working. Once done, sign into the TV account and accept microphone and privacy permissions so voice features can run. Next, choose the voice assistant in settings. Many TVs list Google, Alexa, or built-in options. Press and hold the remote's voice button to trigger pairing. You do this now because the assistant must register your device and permissions before any commands will be recognized. Once the assistant is activated, go into voice or assistant settings to pick language and the wake word. This improves recognition. Then perform any voice training or voice match steps so the TV learns your pronunciation and profile. Make sure to add rooms or link smart home devices so commands like turn off living room lights work. Finally, connect streaming accounts and music services. This allows direct playback commands. These steps reduce errors and make the assistant control more useful across devices. You finish by testing common commands. Change volume, open Netflix, or search for a show to confirm behavior. If responses are slow or incorrect, adjust sensitivity, retrain voice recognition, or reboot the TV to apply updates. Make sure the microphone permission remains granted and that the TV is still signed into the correct account. If a command fails, check Wi-Fi and any linked service credentials. One key tip: reboot both the TV and your router before deeper troubleshooting to clear transient connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.